Friends, Running Kimono here. It is Sunday, May the 24th, and we are in store at Walgreens getting the cheapest and hottest deals, including $1.16 Dial Body Wash. Do I have your attention? Now, at the very end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a nice $50 basket and the best way to approach it to get the biggest amount of savings with this week's flyer. So we're going to dive into that. So it'll be towards the end of the video for the $50 basket. I know a lot of you appreciate that. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about, because I did have a lot of questions, is about this Ibotta gas thing. Now, how this works is that the promotion happens every Thursday until June the 10th, so the next couple weeks. And what it is, the next one will be Thursday the 28th, noon Eastern or 10 a.m. Mountain Time. They drop a code on their social media, so Facebook or Instagram, and then I will also share the code on my community tab once I have it. You punch it in your profile. I made a whole video on how to do that. I will link it at the very end if you wish to see it. But say they only have 10,000 slots for this. Once the 10,000 codes are taken, that's it. So even though it is Sunday, May the 24th, and you want to get on this cheap gas, you're too late. So it's a very specific window on Thursday at 10 a.m. Mountain, or it's about noon here Eastern. So you kind of have to be on the ball on Thursday for that. And myself last week, I was so lucky to get this $56 one. I bought like 20 bucks in gas and then got the full amount. So I didn't have to buy the full 56, which I wasn't sure about too. So I'm sure I'll never get that again. Like lightning doesn't strike twice. But even if I got $4 or $1, I would still be so grateful. It's definitely worth trying to do this rebate with Ibotta. If you want to sign up for Ibotta, link in the description. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, I think you're given a $5 bonus. And Thursday, during that very specific window, is when you're going to want to punch in the code. I do not have the code, and the code will not be released until that time. Video linked at the very end to follow more directions on this promotion. Before we dive into all the goodness that is this week, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. Again, it really helps out me and the channel if you can do both. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, so the first deal we're going to do is you are going to have to tiptoe or moonwalk. You pick. Let me know in the comments down below what you do. The candy aisle with these icebreakers, they are on a buy one get one free promotion, and they are on clearance in some markets for $1.49, 75% off. So two of them would be $1.74 each. Yes. Another super deal is with the Dial Body Wash. Buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. And we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, and they are 2 for $7. So the third one will bring up $3.50. So grabbing 3 of them, it's $10.50. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $8.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $3.50 for the 3, or $1.19 per dial. We don't really get a lot of deals on this specific body wash. This is a good one. It's okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You can use Walgreens Cash to earn register rewards. So do this deal if you want to get in on this $1.19 body wash. I know a lot of us do. Super deal is a carryover from last week, meaning if you used your digital coupons, they are a one and done, unfortunately. But this is a super-duper deal. It is buy one, get one 50% off on the paper towel and the toilet paper. And we also got last week a $2 off for the paper towel and a $2 off too for the toilet paper. I definitely would stock up on this. Why not? Grabbing 4 units of the paper, 2 toilet papers, and 2 paper towels, that's 20. Subtracting the 2 off of 2 times 2, that's 4. And the BOGO 50% off, an additional $5 is melting off. You don't have to load a coupon for that. It just comes off automatically. It's 11 for 4, or $2.75 per bag of paper. It's okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but what a great deal for cheap paper. The Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends, we got that 3 off of 2 digital for both. If you want to do this deal twice with the Whole Blends and the Fructis, 2 separate transactions, or the register reward will only print once for you. So you have to do it 2 separate transactions. This is the one that we're going to load. And of course, we're going with the Fructis because we love the Fructis on this page. So grabbing 2, maybe like a shampoo and conditioner, that would be $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $5.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per shampoo or conditioner. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, a very sensible deal that we have on the Persil for $5.49. We have a $2 digital coupon and then 50 cents back from Ibotta. Typically on a non-sales week, these bottles of magic are just like $9, like $9.29 I see right there. So, yeah, load your coupon, this little $2, and then make sure that your Ibotta rebate is there and it is attaching. It's a 50 cent back with a limit of up to 1 time. So grabbing one of these bottles of Persil for $5.49, subtracting your digital, you're paying $3.49. 50 cents back from Ibotta, making it $2.99 for this bottle of magic. A lot of people say this detergent is a little bit better than Tide. I'm a Tide girl, but maybe let me know in the comments down below. Do you think it's the same or different? It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but a really good deal for some cheap Persil. Another great deal is the buy one, get one free on the all laundry care. So when you're doing this deal in store, you're going to have to look for a set of the pods and the liquid. Open up your Ibotta. Make sure you have both of these rebates, $2 back for the liquid, $2 back for the pods, and it is in fact attaching for you. So you're going to pay $8.99 for one, get the second one for free. Then you're photographing your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back, making it $4.99 for the 2 or $2.49 per all. For the liquids or the pods, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I absolutely love the Colgate company. They give us 50-cent toothbrushes and paste every week. So this week we have the fancier brushes and paste for $6 with a 6 off of 2 digital coupon for the brushes and a 6 off of 2 for the paste. If you want to do both, 2 separate transactions or the register reward will only print once for you. You want it to print twice for maximum savings. Grabbing 2 of the Colgate Fancy brushes for $12, subtracting that giant coupon, you're paying $6, getting back a $5 register reward, makes it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I would definitely stock up, especially on the fancier toothpaste. Do love when they have this promotion. So thank you, Colgate. Much appreciated. And the General Mills cereal for $1.99. Check your Ibotta. You might have a rebate for this as well. Maybe you could do the deal doubly for this. But this is a really good price point because the cereal is usually like expensive at the pharmacies. Currently, we have $1 off 2 digital coupon. 2 boxes of the cereal at $1.99 a pop. It's $3.98. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per box. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And double, triple check, do you have an Ibotta rebate? This could be a better deal for you. This is the cheapest price point for these Walgreens food storage bags at 88 cents. I definitely would stock up, especially if you like to use these bags on the go or if you're a home cook or whatever. There's a million different uses for these bags, and I know for 88 cents, that is a really good price point, so I would stock up. And then also we have the aluminum foil, the cling wrap, and the parchment. Buy one, get one free. Another one I would definitely stock up. This is the most sensible way to use the 10 back when you spend 50 booster if you can get a paper booster as well. Sometimes they print out randomly, or if you get a photo print, punch in your phone number, sometimes they print out to get 17 back on a 50 basket. Now, we're going to grab a lot of the stuff we were just talking about in this basket, plus this Olay at $8. We're going to grab 3 for $24 and $5 reward when you buy 3 with a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Sorry, guys, I can't show you a visual of this coupon because it's like not showing up in my coupons folder right now, but it is there. It's something weird that sometimes happens on Sunday. Let's jog through this chorus line. 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $8.98. We have a $3 digital to load for that. 3 dial body washes for $10.50 with the $2 digital. 3 Olays for $24, 8 times 3, that's how I'm getting 24, and we have that 5 off of 3, and then 2 Colgate Fancies, either the brushes or the paste, you pick, $12 at $6 a unit, and we have a 6 off of 2 coupon. The total for this is $55.48. Have your digital booster loaded that I just showed you, plus that paper booster, get the cashier to scan. You have $16 in digital manufacturers melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $39.48. If you want to use register rewards from last week, say Dove or Pantene or whatever you might have, throw those in because $39.48 is a very large out of pocket. You're getting back $17 in Walgreens cash for your 2 boosters and $18 in register rewards. For the Chorus line, the newest one is that Olay body wash. So it makes your haul $4.48 for all of that. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're juggling 2 boosters. And I definitely would hang on to your receipt in case Ibotta might have a rebate for either Dial or Olay. And sometimes middle of the week, those pop up. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.